Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do number 657, robot return to origin. This is an easy level problem on LeetCode and we're going to solve it in JavaScript. So we have a function that takes in moves. Moves is a string that only consists of R left, R, L, U, D, representing right, left, up, and down. And a robot starts at, we can picture a XY scale, and a robot starts at 0. And whenever it moves right, there's a right R in the string, the robot moves right. When there's a left, it moves left 1 unit. When it goes up, it goes up 1 unit. When it goes down, when there's a D, it goes down 1 unit. And it wants us to return true or false if it starts at the starting point after it moves. So how we're gonna solve this problem is that we gotta create variables to keep track of where the movements of the robot. So we're gonna create an X variable for whenever it goes left and right, and then left and right. So create X variable for left and right movements, and then create Y variable for up and down movements. And now we're gonna have to loop through moves, and we're gonna have a case, a if else for each one. So we can use a switch statement for it, but for pseudocode, we do if we run into case L, let's see, let's go in order. R, we'll have to increment X. And then we do that for each one of them. So case L, we decrement X. Case U, we increment Y. Case D, we decrement Y. And then once we do finish looping through it, we return if X and Y equals to 0. So if they are equal to, so these are like a balancing pointer we use for X's and Y's for up and down, right and left. So put in code, let X equals 0, let Y equals 0. And now we loop through moves for let I equals 0, I is less than moves dot length, I plus plus. And inside of it, we have to do the case statement. So switch, and we're going to look at moves index of I. And inside of it, we do case if case 1 equals to R, we will have to increment X, break, case L, we decrement X, break, case U, we increment Y, break, and then the last case, D, we decrement Y, and then break. And then at the end of this, we return if X equals to 0 and Y equals to 0. Great. Great, we got it. So for the time and space complexity, we know that we're looping through moves, so it's going to be O of n. And then the space complexity, we are creating constant, so it's going to be O over 1. So that is how we solve this problem. Thank you.